Tired of FTP nightmares? Unlock seamless file management within WordPress by learning to integrate a powerful zip plugin. Let's dive into getting your WordPress site ready for direct zip file management. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard on the left-hand menu. Locate and click on Plugins. Now, you'll see a page listing your installed plugins. To add a new one, click the Add New button located at the top of the screen. This brings you to the WordPress plugin directory in the search bar on the right side. Type in Zip Plugin. You'll see a variety of options for this tutorial. We'll focus on a plugin designed for robust zip file handling. Look for one with good ratings and recent updates, and click the Install Now button associated with it. WordPress will now download and install the plugin. Once it's finished, you'll see an Activate button. Click this to enable the plugin's functionality on your site. Congratulations! The plugin is now installed and active. You'll typically find new options or menu items added to your WordPress dashboard, often under the main menu or a dedicated section. The exact location can vary depending on the plugin you chose. This is where the magic happens. Most zip plugins offer an intuitive interface to upload compressed files directly. You might see an Upload Zip button or a drag and drop area. Simply select your zip file or drag it into the designated zone. The plugin will then process your zip file depending on its features. It might automatically extract the contents, allowing you to manage them as individual files within WordPress, or it might simply store and organize the zip file itself. This functionality is invaluable for uploading theme files, plugin updates, or any other compressed assets without needing to leave your WordPress admin area. Streamline your workflow and say goodbye to tedious file transfers.